All right, so we've had the burns. I want to go through a little bit of an update as to how many Luna Classic we're going to see burnt from Binance over the next few months, days, years, all of that information. We're going to go over the chart and a pattern that I'm seeing forming right now that I may very well get involved in. And of course, checking out the overall market so you guys can be fully up to date. Please remember that nothing on this channel is Moon Boy stuff. It is both sides of the coin. So if you like no-nonsense crypto with a view on both the bullish and the bearish side, this is the channel for you, because I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass and tell you that we're going to go to the moon if I don't personally think that we are. So if you like that sort of thing, I would really appreciate you just smashing up that like button. It would help me out on this channel a bunch. And I found this tweet here by Scooby Doll Knowledge. He posted this, I think it was last night that I saw it. But anyway, so this off-chain fee burn from Binance, about 5.6 billion in 11 days. If we take the volume over these 11 days from Binance only, we can come to the first result. Burning rate per day, 300 million on-chain, 500 million off-chain, 800 million per day, 25 billion per month, and 300 billion per year. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the sound of that, but 300 billion per year is still a lot. If we do check that out over here, if we put in how much that is, wait, let me just make sure that I've got that correctly. Is it 300 billion. Yep. So 300, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is about $94 million worth at today's current price, which I think is incredible. Of course, this is going to take what, about 3 years, 3.5 years per 1 trillion tokens. And currently we have around 6 in circulating supply and 7 overall. So that's a lot of years to burn this amount of tokens that we need to get down to these low levels that people are expecting. The 1,000 X's to get to a cent or 10 cents or whatever exactly it was. But this is good. This is just one exchange. Of course, Binance currently has 50% of the exchange volume, and they haven't yet put in the 1.2% burn, which may still be on the cards, but they are burning. Now, this is good. What we can do, and what I think is good, is that burning's great. That's one aspect. We can continue to try and convince all of the exchanges to continue to add to these burns, which will be great. One thing I think we can do to help that is, instead of boycotting Binance or being mad and belligerent that they only burnt $1.8 million worth of tokens in 11 days. It blows my mind, some of the comments that I'm seeing about people being thinking that Binance should have burnt more, or they're not listening to us because we all voted for the burn of 1.2%. Let me remind you guys, we voted for an on-chain burn of 1.2%. We did not vote for Binance to implement a 1.2% burn. That's not how centralized exchanges work. They're not just bypassing it somehow. Centralized exchanges hold the tokens in their hot wallet, and then we exchange using front-end technology that doesn't happen on-chain. So they don't need to burn anything, but they've burned $1.8 million worth of tokens in 11 days. That's why I think what they've done is great. That's why I'm appreciative of it. I think it's good. And that's why I'm still a partner of Binance. I've been a partner of Binance from before the date that they said they were going to do this, after it, months ago, all of that stuff. If you do want to sign up and support myself, and you do want to contribute to the burn yourself, you can sign up using the link down there in my description. I'd very much appreciate that. Even just signing up is going to go a long way to help out both the burn and this channel, and I do really appreciate that. But I think that what they've done is awesome so far, and that's not because I'm an affiliate with them. It's because what they're doing is becoming the most, the highest entity to burn that we have in existence. Binance is #1 after 11 days. If that's not something, I really don't know what is going to make people happy at this point. 1.2% tax burn has 3.8 billion. And then, of course, we have our other burners here. And for some reason, no one, including Happy Catty Crypto, will help me get on this top 28 list, because I should be here. Connor's community burn should be here, right here, at number 19, because I burnt 7.2 million tokens just the other day using the revenue that this channel generated. Thanks to you guys. Couldn't thank you more. I think we've done an amazing, absolutely incredible job, and it's awesome. It's awesome. Just incredible, right? Let's go on to the charts here. On the 30-minute chart, I'm seeing a potential ascending wedge here, which could be bullish if we do break through. If we manage to get above this, we could see something like this, which would be absolutely lovely. What I would wait for before getting involved in anything like this is some sort of retest. And even from there, it's still risky because, of course, we can break down lower. So that's what I'm looking for on the short term of Luna Classic. Now, heading over to Bitcoin, we can also see that Bitcoin is also breaking out from this descending trend that I was talking about on the channel. I've been speaking about this for a few days. We've just, as filming this video, broken through the 20,000. If you had have got involved where I was saying, you are now in potentially, depending on where you got in, around a 4% gain with leverage of 10x. That is a 40% gain. With 100x is 400%, whatever kind of crazy trades you guys want to do. But we got involved, but this is something I've been talking about, and this is the overall trend that I want to see play out here. A nice W pattern, breaking this neckline here, continuing up, maybe even a retest, hopefully within the region. We never get things as perfect as this, but within the region, that could be a great time, in my opinion, for my own trading style to get involved in starting to long Bitcoin again. Definitely high risk, but it could be a very high reward coming into play here, in my opinion, though. If you did want to do any leverage trading, of course, BitGet is down there in the description, along with a bunch of other exchanges, up to $12,000 worth of exchanges right now. And I think that the storm is really coming together for, you know, a burst in the cryptocurrency market, maybe some moves upwards after so much FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Just so much fear. The price has been going down non-stop. We have the DXY trending downwards again. What would be great for us to do is to break this 109 mark, and then we could really be setting in a new trend downwards. That's what I would be watching. That's what I'm hoping for. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.